It seems to be really good on the 8th for today in this really warm arena with a nice extended trot. And really good fluent transition back. Nice self-carriage and control from the rider. The horse seems to be really willing and concentrated on the rider. It's a really good transition into the passage. It's energetic. Half pass, a little bit tilting and could be more bend here. Overcrossing is okay. And has to watch out, he's sometimes a little short in the neck. Nice passage off the ground. Also real good extension. And direct into the extended walk, which keeps this really nice 4-beat, which is a criteria of a good extended walk, and then to keep it over the back into the collected walk, thinking forward, to go into a nice forward thinking piaffe. Nice rhythm. We're into the piaffe. It could be a little bit more exact and fluent in the transition. And the number of steps was a little short. The canter, there's a good jump into the canter, a little tilting here and half pass, but nicely going sideways. And hindquarter is a little out in the end. Too tempi. Keep correctly on track. The 15, one tempo changes, a little bit more supple, without mistakes and completely concentrated and controlled by the rider. There he makes a change. He lost the balance, so the horse decided to make a change to keep the balance and find it back. On the right pirouette, that's a bit big, and after that a bit crooked. Tiny things to work on. Into the passage again, last center line with the Piaf. It's not really the 12 steps that he made. He decided to go out earlier, and a little mistake in the end to the hold. But I think he's satisfied with such a young horse into this Grand Prix special.